Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to customize collaborative editing settings in Canva. So the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch a Canva web application. Ta-da! This is the home page and you see there are a lot of things going on here. So let's hop into today's task and get distracted. How to customize collaborative editing settings in Canva. This means you have to head over to the Canva editor, or what I call the editing suite. I'm going to open up any of my recent designs so it can take me to the editor. So this is the editor and this is what it looks like. You can actually access this page from literally anywhere in Canva. So you can click on create a design at the top right corner of your home screen and it's going to take you here. For recent designs, it's going to take you here. Just open up a template, click on template at the left corner of your home screen, choose any template of your choice and it's going to take you right here. This is the editing suite. This is where everything goes on in Canva. This is where the dirty work is done to produce something really beautiful. So here we are. So of course we're heading over to the collaborative settings, right? The collaborative settings. I want to customize that. So it's assumed that I am done, of course, creating the design, or let's say I am not done creating the design. As you can see, it's pretty messed up. So I'm gonna have to delete this so that I can have this one here. So it's messed up and I'm like, hey, how do I just share this with a professional designer so that the designer can just touch one or two and make it really professional. So let's say I was designing and then I just all of a sudden lost my creative juice and I'm like, hey, I need help. This is what you can do. Top right corner of your screen, you can see the share option. So click on share and you're going to see this option that says people with access. So you can actually use this first off, right? You can use this first. You can click on this plus icon to add people or just use that. So you can add the name of the person by group or emails. I'm going back. Now you have this collaboration link where you can now customize this collaborative editing settings, right? So here you have collaborative link, and in this drop down menu, click it. You're going to see this option. Who can have access to the design? Right here it says only me. But then I need help. I'm going to click anyone with this link. Now it doesn't end there. The next thing is, what will anyone with this link be able to do? You have the option of controlling it. Yes. So I can click on this three dots menu now and say, oh, anybody with this link can just view, or anybody can comment, anybody can edit. All right. So because I need help, I can now click on can edit. All right, so can comment isn't just only comment, or can edit. Can edit because I actually need help. So once I do that, I'll now be able to click on this copy link button and share to that friend of that person that I would like to join me in making this thing beautiful or making it come to life. Now, this also works with teams, all right? If you're having a team of designers and you want everybody to have access to this, to design it, just go ahead and copy the link right here and change settings to all of this. So this is where you can actually customize. So I'm just going to head over to Can View and take it back to only you can access, because this is actually a private thing. Now, this is just it. You can go back to the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. Once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped your search.